Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's get right into today's topic, which is regarding Kaspa. Today I am out of the studio. I decided to take a little bit of a holiday over the weekend, but I brought my laptop with me because I wanted to give you guys that update. We're going to really give those updates on a continuous basis this month of September, so let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall markets, you guys can see majority of the altcoins right now are in a little bit of green. We did see once again September 1st did start on a negative note. We did see the price of BTC tumble back down to that 25k range, but we're seeing a little bit of a bounce today, which we will definitely take. As far as Kaspa is concerned, currently sitting at 3.57 cents, down about 0.1% over the past 24 hours in USD and Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $730 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $7 million. So what we're seeing happening over the past few days is that the price has pretty much been consolidating around this range. The 24-hour trading volume is a little bit on the lower end, but remember, the liquidity side of things are not at the top, as far as exchanges are concerned. But speaking about exchanges, there is a new exchange that has, listed Kaspa, and again, this should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. We're seeing Kaspa being talked about on a continuous basis. So seeing Bitmart come out and list Kaspa is, not a surprise for me at all. Bitmart's not one of the top tier one exchanges, but it does add liquidity, so we will definitely take that. But now let's take a look at what's happening with the price. But before we get into the price, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So you can see yesterday, remember, the price of Bitcoin did see a retracement. So Bitcoin went all the way down to $25,326 level. We're about to retest very closely to the August 18th price range, which was the low. We do have a lot of support built up around there, especially around that $25,326, and you can see 3 different times we have wicked around there, and that did impact the entire cryptocurrency market in a negative way as the month of September started. You can see this for yourself. We did see Kaspa go down to that 3.2 cents range. And speaking about that 3.2 cents range, if you guys watched my last Kaspa update, I did say if we were to lose this support line, that would be that next target. So I'm really liking the fact that it retested that support and has seen a little bit of a bounce. If you did have some buy orders placed in around that 3.23 cents mark, you are already up 10% in Kaspa. That speaks for itself. And this is what I've been trying to tell. Kaspa is a layer 1 project, one of the projects that is being talked about a lot, bringing, the old days of Cardano, very close similarities between these two projects. And, that's why I said in my other updates, a lot of people that missed Polygon Matic, that missed Avalanche, Polkadot, Solana are looking at Kaspa as another opportunity, and possibly even other layer 1s that are coming out this year, maybe next year, are going to be looked at quite closely as well. So seeing this interest building up is not surprising me at all. We are going to see more people talking about it, especially when the altcoin season begins. One thing I want you guys to keep in mind is the smart money. The smart money is the institutional investors. They know how good this project is holding. Remember, we saw what happened with Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash had $2 billion flow into it after the announcement came out that BitRock has filed for a proposal for a Bitcoin ETF. After that news itself, we saw the market cap of Bitcoin Cash go literally 2x, actually, not double. It was $4 billion came into its market cap. That is how fast money can come into this market. And if we're looking at the price of Kaspa right now, 3.5 cents, but in my opinion, the market cap for a project this hype right now is still quite low. And I've compared Kaspa with some of the big boys already, Avalanche, I've compared it with Cardano, and things can heat up once the bull market does return, and we do tend to see Kaspa get listed on more newer exchanges, especially the bigger boys, Coinbase, and obviously let's go look at it. Coinbase is not there. Kraken is not there. Binance is not there. So you get what's missing right now. We have a lot of potential liquidity. I'm talking millions, possibly billions of dollars worth of liquidity that can possibly be coming towards Kaspa in the short and medium term. And the fact that it's already at 3.6 cents, despite that, and sitting at such a high market cap, $780 million market cap, almost $1 billion. That speaks a lot for itself and what holders really are seeing. And a way to really understand how good this project is, we need to see how the supports are holding. Once the support does get lost, how is the project reacting? And you can see this for yourself. We've seen the support being lost, but every time we've seen a bounce, so that speaks a lot for itself. And I'm projecting that before this year comes to an end, there is a strong chance that we will see Kaspa hitting a newer all-time high, especially if one of the new exchanges come. And of course, an altcoin season begins, we will see Kaspa hitting a newer all-time high. If you were looking at all-time high and wanted to see how far we are from the all-time high, you can see this for yourself. About 49, almost 50% away from the all-time highs. And honestly, that can come quite fast, especially if Bitcoin were to start retesting, that $28,750 mark. But speaking about Bitcoin, we still need to remember Bitcoin is sitting at some very important price levels. You can see this for yourself. This $25,200 is basically a last life support. If this were not to hold, there's a strong chance that $22,000 Bitcoin can still be on the table. Dominance for cryptocurrency Bitcoin dominance, you can see 49.25%. So not much happening as far as dominance is concerned. That's why we're seeing altcoins really bouncing from not much of a bounce from Bitcoin either. We're seeing altcoins moving, so that really speaks for itself. Not bad as far as dominance is concerned, but I'm really liking once again how good this bounce is. Once we did break below this level of support, we did touch that 3.2 cents target support, and we're seeing a bounce of about almost 11%, which is great to see. And potentially, if we do see a little bit of a push, we could possibly be retesting that 4 cents mark, and that 4 cents mark is a sweet spot for Kaspa in my opinion. If that were to break out, I could even possibly be targeting some newer all-time highs in the short and medium term. So of course, we will take it one step at a time. Right now, Bitcoin should not be ignored because Bitcoin is sitting at some very critical price levels. We are in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see manipulation across the board as CME futures are close, so we need to keep those factors in mind. But other than that, as far as the broader picture is concerned, things are looking quite great. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are you guys doing as of now? Are you guys accumulating more Kaspa? Are you guys just hodling? I want to know in the comment section what your exit strategy is and where you could see the price of Kaspa heading as we do close at the year of 2023. Let me know in the comment section. With that being said, thank you so much for all your support. I will see you guys tomorrow. I will still give you guys an update tomorrow. As I've said, I'm still not within the city, but another update will be coming out live for you guys tomorrow. So see you then. Bye-bye.